everyone. There's plenty for all.
Sweet as sunshine, monkey.
You like apples or mangoes? Good morning, my friends. Time for breakfast. Easy, Daisy. I've got more for everyone. Nice and clean. The cows will love this.
Hang on, everyone. Dinner's almost ready.
All right, everyone. Dinner time. Good morning, my little ladies. Breakfast is ready. Don't worry, I'll be gentle, my friend. Fresh eggs for breakfast. Hard work pays off. Look at you, Piggy. That's a fine mud bath, isn't it? Nothing better than a cool mud bath, boss. Good morning, little swimmers. Breakfast time. Fresh corn for everyone.
Quack, quack, quack. We love corn.
Hey there, my galloping friends. You look ready for a race today. Don't forget to stretch those legs first. We missed you, monkey. Got any apples today? Woo-hoo! Faster, faster. Let's show them who's the king of the farm.
Nay. Hold tight, monkey.
This farm feels like home. And you belong here with us. Oh, wow! Apples, bananas, mangoes, every day. Come on, everyone. There's plenty for all.
Sweet as sunshine, monkey.
You like apples or mangoes?
Thank you, everyone, for making this day the best ever. Good night, monkey. See you tomorrow, boss. Hold on tight, everyone. I'm going higher this time. Good morning, sunshine. Brush, 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 clean and shiny, all fresh and ready for a new day.
Good morning, my friends. Morning, monkey. Hey, shovel, how? Light. Let's go to the shamba. See you soon, friends. All right, let's make it nice and clean. Ha-ha, the cows will love. Perfect, time to load it all up. Perfect, time to load it all up. Ha. Just like that, clean and back home we go. I'm back, my friends. Lunchtime soon. Now for the best part, feeding the cows. All right, everyone, one by one. Okay, my thirsty friends, here comes the water. Ah, that feels good. Everything's safe and sound. All right, Pumba, are you ready to lose again? Ha! Not this time, my friend. Today...
Hold on tight, everyone. I'm going higher this time.
Remember when Pumba tried to climb the mango tree?
Hey, that branch was too weak. Not my fault.
What a beautiful night.
Good night, everyone.
Every dream begins with a peaceful heart.
I'm going to the Agrovet shop to buy tomato seeds. Good morning, sir. Do you have tomato seeds today?
Yes, yes. Fresh and ready for planting.
Thank you, sir. I'll plant
day.
Good luck, my friend. May your garden grow.
These tomatoes are gonna grow big and juicy. Now we wait and see them grow.
I'll make the soil soft and ready before I plant the seeds.
There we go, 1 seed, 2 seeds, 3 seeds. These will grow into big taste tomatoes.
Wow! Look at that! You're growing already! Good morning, my little tomatoes! Now you're growing so well! Keep going, my little tomatoes! They're growing fruits now. Just a little more time.
Zimeva Cabeza. My tomatoes are ready for harvest. This is the happiest day. My hard work has paid off.
Perfect! Just look at this color. This is the best harvest ever! We did it! Let's take them home and celebrate!
My first big harvest. Wait till everyone at home sees these.
Welcome back, Monkey! Look at all those tomatoes!
The harvest was a big success.
Good morning, my friends! Today's tomatoes are fresh, juicy, and full of flavor. Straight from my farm, grown with love. All tomatoes sold! What a great day! What a beautiful... This success belongs to all of us. Teamwork, patience, and love. That's what made it happen.
All that hard work